Imagine a tiny, fluffy orange cat, shivering as snowflakes swirl around its fragile body. Alone and cold, it faces a world blanketed in white, with nowhere to hide from the biting wind. But this little survivor refuses to give up. With determined paws, it digs a tunnel deep into a snowbank, creating a cozy den where warmth and hope can grow. As the night rages, the cat curls up inside, safe from the storm. This heartwarming act of resilience reminds us that even the smallest creatures have incredible strength. Let's cherish and protect them whenever we can.